Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join and create an account for Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is of course a Google service and it uses the same storage as the Google Cloud uses, and every Google account has a Google Photos account tied to it, or rather it is the same account, and every account can access Google Photos freely without any additional charge unless you want to add some storage. However, that is completely up to you. Now, as I mentioned, it does share the storage with Google Drive or whatever Google has, since it is all on the Google Cloud. And pretty much all you need to do to be able to use it is, as I mentioned, just create a Google account. As you can see, I'm logged into mine. You can figure how to sign up for Google yourself. It is very easy and intuitive. And once you've signed up and created an account, if you're on PC, you can just click this sort of menu button next to your account picture or your initial, and once you're here you just need to locate the Photos app, which is here, and click on that, and it'll take you to Google Photos, which looks something like this. Of course yours will be empty once you make it, but this is what mine looks like. These are photos and videos from different tutorials I've done, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, to access Google Photos on your mobile device, you can go on the internet and access it through your browser. However, you can also download the Google Photos app and use that by logging in with your Google account, and pretty much you'll have everything set for you. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.